Hi guys, Levert here with eXp Realty. We're doing something a little different on today's channel. We are going to be helping you unfreeze your iPhone. Yes, we are still going to be very much related to real estate, talking to real estate or about real estate on this channel. I am a content creator, making content in regards to real estate. I like to help other real estate agents or even other people who create content. If your phone is stuck, I want to help you unstick it. So that's what we're talking about today on our channel. And we will see you guys in the next video in regards to other real estate things. So come back for that. But for now, let's get these iPhones unstuck. And as we always like to say on our channel, let the show begin because we're getting after it right now. Okay guys, so this is going to help you in regards to your screen being frozen and you can't get it to basically shut off, even though that just turned off. So we have a situation here where normally this is like an iPhone, I think this is an iPhone 13. That's not true, this is an iPhone 11. So basically what you want to do is tap that side button here, hold that button as well as hold these two buttons on the side, squeeze them at the same time, and that should give you at the top a slide to power off. That normally should help you out. Unfortunately, in this particular situation, we have this app that is frozen on the top of the phone here. So what we're going to do is another solution that you can try here for like the iPhone 11 and more. Again, take that side button, you want to push the volume up button, let it go, push the volume down button, let it go, and then you want to push the power button, hold that until you should receive this again, and you should be able to disconnect. Again, we have a further issue. We're going to take it to app today or to ATTN today, see if they can help us out with that. But again, those two things should help you get your screen unfrozen, but I'll let you guys know what happens with this further in-depth, taking it to ATTN, see if they can help us get this app frozen off the top of the phone. Stay tuned. Okay, update. So Isabel here in Las Vegas, she was so kind at the ATT store. The only thing that we needed to do, just like I said on this before, you want to hit the up volume, hit the down volume, and then on the opposite side of the phone, you want to hold that button until your app logo comes up, until the Apple logo comes up. So again, on the left side of the phone, so if I have the phone here, I'm going to be showing it to you guys this way. You want to hit that up volume, the down volume, and then on the other side of the phone, you hold this side until the Apple logo comes on, and that should free and unlock your phone. So now again, just to clarify, if this is your phone, if this is the front of your phone, the back of your phone here has your camera over here. So if you're gonna take a picture, you see the sort of side here where it have all the different lenses. I'm looking at the screen as if I'm like on the phone with something. Phone is facing you. You want to tap the up volume, tap the down volume, and then you want to hold this side over here as long as you possibly can until you get that Apple that comes up on your phone again. That's when you should be able to force that to quit and get past any frozen phone scenario. Again, guys, my channel normally is focusing on real estate, my clients, giving them input, but at the same time, I'm a brand new content creator creating this great content for my real estate clients and also for real estate agents. And because I'm a content creator, I'm just sharing these small tidbits that I run into. So for any of you that are agents or brand new content creators, if any of these great tips can help, I'd love that. Share this video with someone, help someone freeze their phone. It drove me crazy. I didn't know how to handle it. I had to go into ATT and get it figured out, but I want to share it for you guys nice and free. If there's anything we can do for you real estate wise, of course, reach out to us, subscribe down below, all that kind of great stuff. And if you're a real estate agent, reach out to me. I'll share everything we possibly know in regards to creating something on YouTube, and we will see you guys in the next video. Hope this helped.